everyone. In today's tutorial, I will show you how to add or remove all borders with shortcuts in Excel. As you know, borders are not added for cells in Excel by default. Sometimes you may want to apply borders to cells to make them outstanding. Here I will introduce some shortcuts to add or remove all borders, as well as the border command to apply borders in Excel. To add all outside borders with shortcuts of Control Shift ampersand, select the cells you want to add all outside borders, and then press the Control Shift ampersand keys at the same time. Now you will see the outside borders are added for selected cells immediately. If you want to add all borders with the shortcut of Alt HBA, select the range you want to add all borders, and then press Alt H B A keys one by one. As you can see, all borders are added. And if you want to remove all borders with shortcut of Control plus H plus underscore, select the range you want to clear all borders and press Control Shift underscore keys together. Then you will see all borders are removed from the selected range. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe for more videos.